What's up, guys? Welcome back to Raising the Rogers Homestead. So, happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. Today, it's kind of a cloudy, gloomy day, but one of my favorite things to do whenever the weather is like this is get in the fence rows and start cleaning them out. It's an easy way to stay warm, and it's also productive, especially on gloomy days whenever you don't really feel like doing a whole lot. So, first things first, we need to get done is chores. So, it's been a while since I took you guys along for chores. So, we're going to get that done first, and then we're going to get to trimming some trees. Oh, piggies! Piggy, piggy, piggy. Pigs are growing out good. They're a little shelter, a little experiment. I still got to build another one because they're starting to outgrow this one. And they get moved twice a day. And this is about the damage they're doing in one day, which is very, very minimal. It's enough to till it up. You can see a little bit of a hole here, but not bad at all. Something you can rake up, but I mean, look at that. Throw some wheat seed or something on it. I haven't done that yet, but I think that'd be cool. But you can see where we moved them. This is where they went down. They went all the way down there to that corner, and then they turned around and come back this way. The tarp, they've gotten a hold to the corner of the tarp. I got to fix that. But I think what I'm going to do is the same thing I did on the bunny cage, put metal on the bottom and then put the tarp over top of it. And then that way they can't get to the tarp. They just got it in that corner right there. They like to stick their nose out and see what we're doing. But this right here is working great. It did break the top of the water, which I kind of expected, but it is what it is. And then you can see where they've stuck their nose to the side. So if I put metal on the side right there, they won't be able to do that. Just be pushing on the metal, which they'll get bored with that. But I've been really pleased with this so far. Let's see if I can flip it over right here where it is. I've got a bale mover that you just move one bale at a time with. It's being built right now. But for right now, this is how we move our hay. Back up, guys. Come on. Back up. Back up. Let's see. Nope. Can't move the darn thing. Try a little bit more down. Phooey. Alright, hold on, guys. Let me get this net wrap off of here before y'all get too deep in that thing. There. What in the world? I don't know, it's kind of ribbon or something, I don't know. Now all the hay that we feed, we try to always feed unsprayed hay. Now the last couple of years, I've really struggled to find non-sprayed hay, but I have fed some this year. Every bit of this is non-sprayed. It's all fertilized with chicken manure, so it's better than being sprayed with chemicals. So we're pretty happy with it. I was able to get my hay guy to provide me with these, and I've got another load that I'm going to get moved this weekend, and then that should get us through the winter. All right, let's get these cows fed. That hole? Back up. Back up. pretty good. Top of this? Top of this. Ultimate farm hack here. So we've been buying the regular step-in post for a long time, and I found these online, and they're 70 cents a piece, and they are fiberglass driveway markers is what they're called. I bought them on Amazon. I got like 100 of them for 70 bucks. So I'm pretty pleased with them. They work great for keeping this hot wire like in between your T-post or wood post, whatever you got. They work great for sheep. They work great for pigs. We've even used them on the cows. They work great because you can put it up to this high, obviously. These are the 4-footers. You can buy it all the way up to 6 foot. So if you had a long run in between two posts, you can put the 6-footers in there and put 2 or 3 of these. And these are self-insulating and they're very flexible. So we've been pretty pleased with them. I've actually got a project that's coming up where I'm going to be using some of these. Not quite ready to share that yet. All right, go plug it back up and we're going to feed this hay. There we go. Hello, piggies. Y'all want some hay? Here. You can eat it. You can lay on it. You can play with it. Whatever you want to do. Yee. Bless you. All right, I know you can't tell it, but I'm sweating pretty good. So I've gotten all the way back to the back corner back there, and then working our way down this way. That big tree that's leaning over real bad, I've been thinking for years that thing was gonna fall, but it's just growing like directly out of the bank down here. This bank is This bank is pretty steep. We go way down there, probably 15 feet or better. But the last time that I went through and did all this, it's been about 3 years or so since I've done this last. Except for the last time I did it, I left all of the cedar trees. And, you know, the more that I mess with fence and everything else, I see what a cedar tree can do to a fence row that gets up in the middle of it. It'll tear it all to pieces. So I've opted to cut them all down through here. But I love doing this kind of stuff and getting stuff cleaned up. So it looks real good. We've got our fence about 10 or 12 foot off of the property line. There is an old fence that runs down this tree line, but it's in such bad shape we just decided to pull it in and not have to mess with all that stuff. And it's been really good. So well guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I appreciate you guys stopping by Raising the Rogers Homestead. If you could, like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and happy Thanksgiving, guys. Thanks.